here we go. We are with rapid fire round and rapid fire with stunning Shibu. Before we jump into this rapid fire question, Shibu, we need some answers related to these pics. Where are these pics and come from?
Okay, so the first one that you see is in the US a lot of years back. I was actually on a cruise ship or something. I actually went to, I think I was in Houston or somewhere when I went to the seaside, and it was on a ship that was docked there. The second one is actually in Malaysia in one of the cafes there. It was called Old School. So like they have the whole walls all painted as if like you're back in school. So I had a picture taken over there.
Great, great. I think the first one is very much before, right?
Yeah, it's quite old. I was probably in 2007 or 8, I guess. So.
Oh, you're looking very calm. Also now also. Yeah, let's keep. So here we go, Shibu. Our first rapid fire question. So, who is your favorite Indian trailblazer?
Indian trailblazer.
Yeah, favorite Indian trailblazer.
Okay, there are quite a lot, but I would look at Gaurav as well because he's somewhat similar profile to mine. So he's very senior, and it's somebody that who I would definitely inspire to be in his footsteps as well. So, kind of very good profile. He actually inspires a lot in the community as well. So.
Yeah, can you name any other than Gaurav sir? Because by default, every person will name his. Yeah.
So there are a number of people that I've actually interacted with, like Rupesh, and most of the MVPs that I've actually met, like Rupesh, Kishore, Jitendra, and Amit. So many of them, I've actually seen online and then interacted with on sessions, and even in TDX when I went there as well. So I get to interface with them. So yeah, that's why I said naming one person is quite difficult because all of them are like superstars, and then definitely people in communities also. There are a lot of people within communities that are pretty good, that are doing a lot of good work, right? So this is one of the ways that we are trying to get and reach out to different communities, work with them as well. So yesterday I was reading about Parth, so he had reached out recently. So I saw his blog of okay, what he did when he was 18 years. Like his father told him, so it's every day we kind of read a new story about people. So we are actually very very good to hear about all that.
Yeah. Okay, Chibu. So your second question. We know you are 17x certified and you are the experienced campaigner in Salesforce ecosystem. So what is your toughest certification till date?
Sorry, say that again. Toughest.
Toughest certification till date.
Toughest one that let me tell you, the one that I failed till now is email.
Oh, seriously?
Yes. Okay, so that was way back, when I started, certification about few years back. So email was that day I had 2 certifications planned because there was a drive going on. Okay, and somebody told me email was very easy. You just simply read the documentation, go and take it. So I had admin, and which I had prepared very well, and email I said I'll try it out. My God, it is not easy. I'm telling you that. And at that time we didn't have Marketing Cloud instance also. So I went in blind. I failed that. Very disappointed. Then I came back, I sat down and went through the entire documentation properly over a month, and then I went back and did it. I passed. So that is one. But then one that I studied and it was still very tough was Service Cloud, because I didn't have too much experience on it. It was more of understanding how it works and then trying it out in your developer org and all that. Of the lot, I've seen that one is tough. And then Einstein as well. Einstein, the concepts are good, but some of the questions are pretty long with all the graphs and all that. And then the discovery part was slightly tougher. I was lucky, okay, I got at least sufficient passing marks, so I was happy about it. JavaScript is the next one that is online, which I saying like I said, I go back to my developer roots, but it has changed a lot. So yeah, I'm expecting that also to be a tough one. So let's see.
Sure. We do expect it should be tough one, and you should crack it.
Yeah, hopefully,
Great,
let's see.
great.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So here is the next rapid fire question. Shibu. You can see it in the chat window. You know what is coming on towards your side, and
Okay.
it is the tongue twister for you. You have to repeat it for at least 5 times.
Okay, so
I
I have
will do it for you.
no, I have a twister for you guys. So I'm not going to do a tongue twister. So I will give an option for one audience to ask me a question.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Okay. First of all, you have to try this. Still, this is not a 10.
Okay.
I will do it for you for once. Can you can it can into can uncan can like a can a can into an uncan can. It is I think it is.
Can you can a canned can into an uncanned can, like a canner can a canned can into an uncanned can? Yeah, one
Yeah,
time is enough. One time is enough. That's enough. So yeah, but if anybody from the audience has any like non-technical question that they can ask, like I'm open to like as well.
yeah. Yeah, audience. You can go ahead and put it in the chat window. Let's have some fun.
Okay. So what's next on your rapid fire while somebody thinks about it?
Yeah. So there is already a question. You told about like Sunday. If anyone gives biryani, then he will teach that marketing cloud, right? Are you
Yeah.
open for biryani?
Yeah, but unfortunately, how do I get it? That is my question. So I'm a fan of Hyderabadi
Oh,
biryani, yes. but the problem is like how do I get it? Like if I get the biryani, yes.
great.
So yeah, jokes apart,
So
like I said, yeah, the reason why we are doing all this, like taking time out, like from our schedules to like help the community is like because we want more and more people to learn about marketing cloud, and it's not available for people, right? So we want to make sure like at least we are able to like send that across to the community.
yes. Yeah, great. Shivu. So as a question for you, if you are given a chance to become a one-day CEO of Salesforce,
Hmm.
what major changes will you do in this tenure?
Oh, that is very difficult question. Yeah, being a CEO, I really don't want to like look at that, and I will probably keep it as is, like So it's not it's not something that I can immediately take a decision on, like because see, if you look at Salesforce, it's like a shared company, right? It's on stock as well. If I do something stupid, like the whole thing will go down, then tomorrow you guys will come and stone me and say like because of you the whole thing went down. So no, so you have to be more careful, like what you actually wish for.
You can take minor changes in community. You can increase the budget for community.
See, that is always ongoing, like so as you can see, like
Yeah.
they actually support us quite a lot, like anything that we've like requested from a community perspective, Salesforce has been very supportive. So if you look at some of the other, and that's why like Salesforce is very successful as well, like the branding that it has through its community. So this is also a type of marketing, if you do not know. This is kind of like called marketing, where you market through your fans, like so they actually give us like certain brand value, like by our fans promoting Salesforce. So if
So
you
we act as advocates.
correct.
The
So
products.
we, yeah, automatically then other people are also brought into it through us, right? So Salesforce is not doing it anything directly, but they're actually like encouraging us and giving us swags and other recognitions, like to the top advocates. In return, we bring them more and more people into the community, right? So that is also a type of marketing.
We are also indirectly sales and marketing people to Salesforce.
Correct, yes.
Yeah. So you can see some questions from chat window. People are giving
I am not sure
from
about
Darshana.
yeah, I'm not sure like how the IT industry, like post COVID is going to be, like so it's a very difficult question to answer, Darshana, to frankly. Like every month I can see, or every week I can see things changing differently. So at least for Salesforce, what I have seen, at least from my organization perspective, I have not seen it gone down. Like in some of the other areas, like I have seen, like okay, like there is small dips and things, but I have still been getting more and more open positions, like and more and more requirements opening up for Salesforce. So from that perspective, at least you guys should be like happy, like that you will still have jobs, like at least for the next few years, I hope. Like and there's more and more options available for us. Let's see.
Yeah. So let's take this penultimate question, Shibu.
Sure.
So rather than marketing cloud and Pardot, which is your favorite product, Salesforce product?
Salesforce product. Okay. That, you mean within the Salesforce
Yeah,
cloud?
within the Salesforce.
One, see, I've been very marketing fan for a lot now.
That's why I removed Pardot as well. You might tell Pardot.
Okay, so no, I'm actually not that big of a fan. I recently learned Pardot, so I would still prefer Marketing Cloud a lot. But then within Sales Cloud or Sales Cloud, I would probably like Einstein a little bit better, because that is something I did recently, and that was very intuitive, like, so where you can actually build dashboards and, like, data sets, data flow editors and all that was like very nice, like, see, like, you can see, like, I have this developer background thing, like, always, like, I always have this mind at the back of my mind, like, wherever you can do some programming or some logic changes, like, I'm always inclined to that more than any like business things and all that, right? So yeah, anything of that sort, like, I'm very happy to try and do as well. So yeah, I would probably look at that.
Sure. So here is your last question, Shibu. Before we jump into this quiz, I think you are ready with your quiz at your back end. So the last question is also rapid fire. Please go with that.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll do it just
You
once.
have to try at least please, Shibu. We want you your tongue to twist.
Okay, if you must cross a course, across a crowded cow crossing, cross the cross course cow across the crowded cow crossing carefully. What if your place was swapped with that of Sesha, the very young DUG leader? Yeah. Let me ask Sesha that question. Sesha, if you were given the director role for, like, a week, what would you like?
You mean the Salesforce director or?
Yeah.
I didn't get that.
In UST, like, I'll give you the director post for a week. What would you feel?
First of all, I will give offer to Shesha in USD with a huge package.
Yeah.
Because because our experience it differs a lot. Then that I will do.
Yeah. So I
And
actually
then I will write a bond with Shesha for next 10 years, so that no one can fire him.
Got it. Good. To Divya, to your answer as well, like, I actually envy some of you guys, like, because you are well connected in the community. You have a lot of, like, years ahead of you, like, you're still young, exuberant, like, you guys are all, like, enjoying, like, even though in these difficult times, like, you're finding, like, the time to come and, like, hang around with, like, each other on virtual meetings, learn, show the passion as well, like, so I really envy you guys a lot. Like, during my times and all, like, we didn't have any of these facilities. Like, all we had was, like, to go out, play, like, and then we probably, like, we would be stuck in, like, learning ASP and all my times. So, like, we don't even have a .NET at that time. So yeah. Okay.
Yeah, Shibu, that's really great. And envy is also a positive thing, and I do envy a lot of people. I do inspire from a lot of people. So that's quite common.